Today we're gonna make Gox a 2 million play button. Doodle time.
Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame.
And now we're gonna color with green. As Gox's favorite color.
Ew, green. Disgusting green. I'm not going to use green. Ew, green is the worst color ever.
Yeah, just kidding, but let me make you an offer. So let's make a deal, huh? You know, if I throw all my greens out, you have to subscribe. Come on. First try. Like I throw them, bam, subscribe, you know? Come on. Deal? Okay. Let's go.
There's no way to say this song's about someone else. Every time you're not in my arms, I start to lose myself. Someone please pass me my shades.
Now we finished this blue side, but I want to try to color it out before going to the front.
Yet I'm feeling like there is no better place than right by your side. I had a little taste.
Okay, it's day 3 and the drawing's like this, but now
Anyway, 'cause all the girls are looking fine, but you're the only one on my mind.
Как foi isto?
La-di-dee, la-da-da-do, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you, la-di-dee, la-da-da-do, there's only
day 4. Okay, now I want to make the fire and color the doodle, so yeah, I'm gonna be serious. That trick shot out there was fake. Yeah, sorry. But like, we're almost passing Gox on subscribers, like a couple million. So subscribe, you know. Yeah, subscribe for this. This takes me a long time, you know. Subscribe.
Stop it. Get some help.
Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father, run for your children, for your sisters and brothers. Leave us alone, behind you can't carry you with you if you want to survive. The dark days are over, the dark days are done.
Dude, I think it's getting pretty sick. Like outline, and yeah, let's just do it. Okay.
Blah blah blah. I be like nah to the ah to the no no no. Running wild and running free. Two kids, you and me. And I say hey hey, live it like we're renegades. Hey hey, live it like we're renegades. Renegades.
And now the moment you all waiting for about 5 minutes. It's not that good, but like don't judge me because I'm still in school, so okay, you can judge me because I ask you to subscribe like 100 times. Like, oh my god. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Like, if you're a friend of Gox, text him, send him this video. If you're Gox, hi. If you're not one of those things, like, subscribe. And thanks, I guess. If you want to like do Vex or I don't know, comment down below. Like, you could not be an artist, but like, I don't know, Mr. Beast? No, yeah, no, because he has to have 1 million subscribers. And yeah, bye. Hunger Games. Ciao.